This is how you day trade. Welcome back to another video, everybody. If you are looking for a community where you can learn from those who have seen the hardships of this market and have come out profitable, you have found the right place. I'm going to show you and take you through these trades, tell you how I think as I'm in these trades, and hopefully you get a lot from it. So please go ahead and like and subscribe. We're going to jump right into it. So we're just observing this market. We are looking to see price possibly come down to this zone right here. This sell side, 25.99 is around the target I'm aiming for. Stops are kind of far apart just because of the choppiness of this market today. So we are just going to watch to see if things play out. We will most likely, if price starts to disrespect some of these 5-minute fair value gaps in this range, in this 264.7 and this 26.39 zone, if it starts to respect or disrespect some of these bullish fair value gaps, then we will look to exit this trade. So just letting you know, that's kind of what we have our eye on. So at this point, the market is really just dilly-dallying. Not a lot of movement, not a lot of volatility here. We're beginning to see some pushes off of our marked off zones. So that is a little bit of a bright side here. But yeah, it's really just dilly-dallying. We can expect to see a little bit of movement though, probably in the next few minutes here. So let's just sit tight, be patient, and watch what the market does. So far it looks like price is respecting this zone right here, this 5-minute fair value gap that we marked off. Let's see to what extent it does. I think at this point it makes a little bit more sense to move our stops. Don't want to see price come back to this area. Price is kind of fizzling out once it gets to 26.23, around that area. Hopefully we can see a good push. It's definitely times like these where, you know, discipline and the mindset of a trader matters the most. You know, we're looking at the way price is moving, and we've spent a lot of time in drawdown. You know, we can basically look at this as, all right, I am in drawdown right now. I am currently, you know, just sitting on around my entry point. Maybe I should just exit out of this trade. And that can definitely come in. That type of mentality can definitely come in. We might want to cut our losses. But, you know, the best thing to remember is scared money doesn't make any money. That's one of the things that you want to continue to remember. You don't want to be scared and let fear, you know, take the reins, especially when it comes to trading. You want to make sure that when we are in trades, we have the mindset that if we take this W, we take it. But if we take this L, we also take that. That's all a part of trading. That is the reality of this game here. And it's not a game, obviously, but you know, that is the way we think about it. As I'm moving my stop a little bit lower here, because price is respecting some of these zones, I am just here thinking that, you know, prices, of course, yeah, it's coming up against me right now, and it might even go up a little bit further. But that is the risk we have put on the table. We've put that there, and we are fine with it. In fact, we've now even lessened the amount of risk that we were initially going to be taking. So, hey, we will do with that. and we will watch this market accordingly. We won't be scared. We won't be trying to time it in a certain way to think that, hey, if I just get in and take these minuscule, little gains, that will be fine. And of course, I'm not against taking small gains in different moves, especially as I copy trade. But if we do see that price overall wants to go in the direction that we think it will, we'll sit, we'll watch, we'll wait, we'll be patient, and we will reap what we sow. We'll benefit in that regard. So we're just going to continue to watch these markets here, but just a little TED talk there for you all as you continue to hone your trading mindset and really discover the type of trader you want to be as you spend hours day in, day out on these charts, and as you continue to hone your mentality, as you continue to watch these markets and let things start to click in and really start to see patterns play out and different models start to be seen. You will be happy that you had either wins or losses along the way, because all of those things help you down the line as you continue to develop your trading mindset. But enough of that. We're just watching the market, looking at where price is doing its thing, how it's respecting the market, how it's disrespecting different zones. That is what we're observing right now. It's been about 10 minutes since we've got into this trade. So we are looking to see how price moves. Once it gets to these areas, we see some rejection, and we want to see that consistently. We're looking to see some displacement as we wait. I'm going to go ahead and pause the recording and update you as we go on, so you don't have to watch price move so slowly. We got a nice little push here. We like to see that. I am looking to see price come down to this area. Sometimes price can really just tiptoe around it. We are hoping that that is not the scenario we get today. We're looking for that displacement. We kind of got it, and now price is choosing to do a little bit of reversing here. We might have just gotten in close to the end of this little zone, this movement here. Okay, we like that. We saw that displacement.
Order filled.
So we took that profit. We like that. Great trade, great little trade right there for us. $400 on about 5 accounts. So we'll take that. We'll do the math later. But yeah, great trading day. So if there was anything that you liked, anything that you found interesting in this video, please go ahead and leave us a like. Subscribe to the community. We are growing. If you want to learn how to day trade, if you want to learn how to navigate the markets, how to get in and out of trades with profitable outcomes, hey, give us a subscribe, follow, watch us, and see how we grow. We are always ever changing and moving forward with our trades and learning. So feel free to share any suggestions or tips that you might have or things that you might want to see. So with that, we'll end the video and we'll see you in the next one.